The World Cup is about to start. Let's talk about it. Let's say you're in a stadium and you hear someone shout, "Shoot it!" and the ball is not even in play. It's halftime or the game hasn't even started. Just take a look around you and be careful. So you see, it's part of an American culture when they pull out up and just start going. Brrrr. In America, there is a police division called ICE, and you see they are fighting with each other. You may ask why? Because after so many years of hard work, after taking out so many Mexicans, so many Africans from these countries, after deporting them, so many Indians also, they have to see exactly those people celebrate in their street. Now they are very sad about that. But other ICE agents are saying they are just more fish in the sea.
Who is she?
You see, people are sad about the halftime show. You gotta be smart about that. I have an idea to fix it. The whole problem with the halftime show. Just play the highlights of the first half with Brazilian funk, and nobody in the world will complain. Not the Norwegians, not the Germans, not the Brazilians. Nobody will complain. Everybody will be in the seats, just dancing about it. Here's a tip just for the Americans. Do not get into a fan war with the Europeans, especially the Germans. You will not win that war. And yes, even if you drop a bomb on Japan, you're not going to win that war. People are saying due to the Americans being involved and more money coming from the Americans, the World Cup is ruined. The football aspect has been dialed down a bit, and the Americanization of the sport has been worse. They are right. Just wanted to say that 2022 cannot be topped. What a night that was. This will be the first World Cup where the fans are the ones needing medical attention.
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है वाह क्या एक्टिंग
FIFA is worried about the budget for this World Cup. You may ask why. They are earning billions of dollars. After seeing the hospital bills in America, they have issued a warning towards the Brazilians. Don't fake injuries. Please, we will go broke. Don't do that here. On that note, every World Cup has a theme. This year's is inflation.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
You may know that ticket prices have gone crazy in America. Some seats are 3,000, 4,000, and even going up to $10,000. I'm not talking rupees or anything, dollars. And you may ask why. These Europeans are used to getting tickets for $150, $200 in their league games, and even in the World Cup is hosted, 200, 300, 500, 700. That's the limit for them. But here it is starting with $2,000 or $3,000. It's a bit crazy. One more thing that I noticed or saw on a reel, that from New York to the MetLife Stadium, which is a stadium in New York, it's $150 just for the train ticket or the bus ticket. It's not even 50, 60 kilometers, not even 10 miles, and $150, man. And you may ask, well, they can just walk there. Europeans have a habit about walking. But no, it's all highways. You cannot walk on that road. It's literally highways, trucks speeding over 100 miles or for 120 kilometers per hour. Yeah, you cannot walk over there. Everybody says World Cup is a once in a lifetime experience. It will be after this year's, because people will be broke after this year's World Cup. England treats every World Cup like it's coming home. That's it. That's the joke. It's not coming home, lads. Thank you for watching. I am trying comedy. Yes, it is not good, but hey, I am trying. These are the jokes I have written. Yes, some of them are inspired, but hey, like we have existed for millions of years. Of course, I'm gonna copy jokes. What do you expect?